Last but not least, we have one last shenanigan for Irish Week, and that is our Irish root beer float. So this is going to be a build in glass cocktail. So you can use a pint glass. I've got one of my little fancy beer glasses here instead. For this cocktail, you are going to need heavy cream, butterscotch schnapps, Irish cream, your favorite brand of Irish whiskey, and then root beer. And then don't forget, you are going to need a jigger for accurate measurements on this one, and of course some ice. As always, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. We're going to start off with 1/2 ounce of our butterscotch schnapps. If I can get it to come out. And this is going directly into the glass. And then we'll do 1/2 ounce of our Irish cream. Again, directly into our glass. And then 1 full ounce of your favorite brand of Irish whiskey. Now, once we get to this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put ice in our glass before I put the root beer in. I've got a decent amount of ice in there as well. Scooch everything over here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to top our entire mixture here with our root beer. Get some nice fizzing happening. Now you're going to want to kind of hold off. You're going to want to stop there. Let the, oh my goodness, the bubbles. You're going to want to let the bubbles set a little bit. I would give it a little bit of a stir just to incorporate all of that root beer. And of course, otherwise you're going to have nothing but liquor at the bottom and all the root beer is going to be up at the top. So I'm going to put just a little bit more root beer in here. It technically said that we wanted to have the entire 12 ounces. I used about half of the root beer before I ran completely out. So we're going to keep it right about there. And then with our heavy cream, we're going to just kind of give it a nice little top. So you're going to want to use the back of your spoon and put it right on the top of the foam here. And just, if I can get it to come out. We're just going to give it a nice light coat on the top just to give it a little bit of what looks like ice cream in theory, since it'll be a little bit like a root beer float. All right, leave that right there. All right, and there we have it, our Irish root beer float. Now, don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the content, you like the cocktails, let me know if you're trying them. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, build some cocktails together, because I'm just going to say it, you shouldn't drink alone. I mean, you never drink alone if the dog is home, but that's a whole nother thing. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next pour, guys. Cheers.